In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images with Google Gemini using an abstract mixed media portrait for a creative trick. Grab your devices, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type Google Gemini into the search bar. Make sure your internet connection is steady, as this is an online tool. Finding the right result might take some scrolling, but look for the one that leads to the official Google Gemini page and give it a click. Now, you'll find yourself on the Google Gemini website. This is your creative playground where all the magic happens. Look for an option labeled Create Image and click on it. This step will guide you to a space where you can upload your own photo for editing, setting the stage for your masterpiece. Once you're ready, find the plus sign icon. This is the button you need to upload a photo from your device. Choose a picture that you feel has potential for a creative transformation. Once uploaded, your photo is ready to be worked on. The next and most exciting part is creating a prompt that will guide the AI in transforming your photo. Think of this prompt as a recipe, where you dictate the flavor and appearance of the final dish. Here's a suggestion. Imagine your photo turning into a bold, abstract, mixed media portrait. Picture a confident man donning striking red sunglasses and an orange jacket. Combine this with a mix of realism and expressive paint strokes, perhaps even sketch-like lines for added texture. Think about setting this character against a textured beige backdrop splashed with dynamic red and black patterns. Convey an aura of energy, rebellion, and individuality through dramatic cinematic lighting and a grunge aesthetic. With your prompt carefully crafted, go ahead and click Submit. This is where patience plays a role, as Google Gemini works its magic, interpreting your instructions into an art piece that could genuinely surprise you. The final result will draw from the creativity and details of your prompt, delivering an artwork that stands out for its uniqueness. And that's it. You've just explored the world of creative digital editing with Google Gemini. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and photos, exploring how various styles transform simple images into vibrant works of art. Remember, creativity has no bounds, and now you have another tool at your disposal to express yourself. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Happy editing, and see you next time.